Hey, my name is Nikolett. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I thought that I could talk about the Hungarian greeting forms. So if you start learning the language, or maybe you plan to visit the country, maybe Budapest in the near future, then it could be useful for you. So if you are ready, let's get started. We will check both the informal and the formal greeting forms. Let's start with the informal first. To say hi in Hungarian, or hello, you can say simply hello or szia, szia. If it's one person, we say szia. If there are more people, you can say sziasztok, sziasztok. So szia, sziasztok. It will be the informal way to say hi. Szia, sziasztok. To say goodbye, it's pretty easy because it's the same. Szia, sziasztok. So you can see Hungarian is not so complicated as it seems at the first sight. If you want to say in a more formal way, you can say viszontlátásra, viszontlátásra. And usually we say it together, so viszontlátásra. Fortunately, we have a short version for this, and you can say viszlát, viszlát. So it's the formal version, viszlát, viszontlátásra, goodbye, or see you later, viszontlátásra. Okay, so let's check different formal ways what you can say. For example, if you enter a shop, like good morning, good afternoon, good evening, etc. In the morning from 6 a.m. until 9 or 10 a.m., you can say good morning, which is jó reggelt, jó reggelt, good morning, jó reggelt. We have a longer version, which is jó reggelt kívánok. Kívánok means I wish you. Kívánok. I wish you a good morning. Jó reggelt kívánok. But don't make it so complicated. So let's say jó reggelt. Good morning. Later, after jó reggelt, you can say maybe after 9, 10 a.m. until 6 p.m. jó napot. Jó napot. Jó napot. Or the long version, jó napot kívánok. Jó napot kívánok. Usually I just say jó napot if I enter a shop, for example. After 6 p.m., when it's already dark, you can say jó estét, good evening. Jó estét. Jó estét. Or jó estét kívánok. And at night, when you go to sleep, you can say good night, which is jó éjszakát. Jó éjszakát. Jó éjszakát. Fortunately, we have the short version, which is jó 8, like 8, the number in English, 8. Jó 8, or jó éjszakát. So these are the different versions. Let's check the pronunciation one more time. So in the morning, you can say jó reggelt kívánok. Later, jó napot kívánok. In the evening, jó estét kívánok. At night, jó éjszakát, jó 8. And if you leave a shop, viszlát, viszontlátásra. Or if you meet some friends, szia, sziasztok. Okay, so let's go on and check what we say, for example, at 2 p.m. So you can say jó napot kívánok. At 8 p.m., jó estét kívánok. At 10:30, it's tricky because you can say jó reggelt, good morning, if you wake up late, jó reggelt, but usually in the shops, they answer you jó napot kívánok. So it could be both. At 9 a.m., usually it's good morning, so jó reggelt kívánok. at 4:30, jó napot kívánok. At 6 p.m., it also depends whether it's summer or winter. In summer, usually we say jó napot. So it's still jó napot kívánok. In winter, it's already dark. So we say jó estét kívánok. At 10 p.m., it's already dark. So it's always jó estét kívánok. Or if you go to sleep, jó éjszakát. At midnight, probably you go to sleep. So jó éjszakát. So these are the greeting forms. I hope that you find this video useful. And if you have any questions, doubts, then feel free to contact me. And you can also book Hungarian lessons with me on ITALKI. You can find the link below in the description. Thank you for watching this video and wish you a nice day. Szia, viszlát, viszontlátásra!